Bayern Munich get themselves into the lead.
Well, that lifts some of the pressure, but they need to maintain their work rate. It's been very good up to now.
Van Persie. So they got the only goal to make it 1-0. Looks like a good ball through. And through to the goalkeeper. Julio Cesar. Van Persie. Just coming up to the 30-minute mark. Defending was physical, no nonsense, and it had to be. Van Persie. Spreads it wide. Oh, not quite. Bayern Munich are in control here on the brink of half-time. Passes it through. Clears it out of harm's way. Gets it back. Five minutes till the break. Needs a bit of penetration to go with all this possession. Van Persie. Julio Cesar. Thrust towards the front line. Van Persie. He's off on a marauding